Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
Top 5 Best Humidifier Reviews. Number 5. Honeywell HCM350W. 3-speed settings to adjust moisture output. Item weight 9.55 pounds. Quiet operation is ideal for bedroom use. It is treated with Protect antimicrobial to ensure stated product performance. Runs up to 24 hours per filling on low setting. Number 4. Honeywell HUL570B.
Introducing the new Honeywell Top Fill Cool Mist Humidifier. Designed to be easy to fill, use, and clean, this humidifier offers 2 ways to fill. Use a pitcher to pour water directly into the tank, or at the sink by removing the tank. Perfect for medium to large-sized rooms, it releases visible cool mist, and the variable humidity control knob allows you to customize moisture output. Plus, filter-free technology and wide tank opening make for easy maintenance. For a convenient and effective way to relieve dry air discomfort, try the Honeywell Top Fill Cool Mist Humidifier.
Variable moisture output settings. Ultra quiet operation. Rotating mist nozzle let you customize your comfort. At the sink or with the pitcher. Item weight 5.5 pounds. 1.25 gallon tank allows up to 36 hours of operation. Number 3. Vornado Ultra1. Up to 3.5 gallon output every 24 hours. 2 gallon tank capacity. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty. Refer user manual below. Item weight 7 pounds. Electronic humidistat for automatic humidity control. Number 2. TaoTronics Cool Mist Humidifier. Comes with a built-in timer, intuitive LED display. Ultrasonic air diffusion produces less rids it of microorganisms for odorless, pure air. The device does not double as an aroma diffuser. Item weight 3.53 pounds. Microporous cartridge thoroughly filters the water. Number 1. Levoit LV600HH.
More than just moisturize the air in your living spaces with the Levoit LV600HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier. Warm mist helps relieve coughs from colds and flus. The warm mist also helps neutralize any bacteria in the air, allowing you and your family to stay healthy. By operating at a quiet ultrasonic levels to disperse a fine mist, the humidifier is the perfect appliance to use while resting at home. The large 6-liter capacity also ensures up to 35 hours of continuous use, allowing you to breathe easy as you sleep into the night.
Can easily handle a bedroom and living room, even the whole house. Sensitive touch control panel is easy to operate. Item weight, 4.92 pounds. The most suitable level. Features warm or cool mist at 3 different levels.